PMP Registered Trademark Symbol Certification Job and Salary Scope in 2023. Hey everyone, you're watching SprintSeal channel where you'll explore more about PMP jobs and its salary. Enjoy the video and make sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Introduction to PMP certification. Project managers play a crucial role in any business. They are responsible for planning and executing projects. There is a possibility for advancement into even better paying roles in this well-paying profession. It's a good idea to consider earning a project management certification to accelerate your career as a project manager. Learn how to get PMP certification and guide to advancing project management career with PMP certification. PMP is a well-known, top-ranked certification in project management all around the world. The PMP certification confirms that candidates have all the essential project leadership skills that companies look for in the role of project manager. Those who pass the exam for project management certification and earn a PMP certification gain a number of benefits, and one of the benefits often includes a significant upsurge in salary. A PMP certification increases candidates' career opportunities in their present or future positions and boosts their career growth. Benefits to get PMP Registered Trademark Symbol certified. Globally recognized certification. Increases salary potential. Upgrades leadership skills. Handle challenging projects and teams in a better manner. Better job opportunities and professional recognition. PMP certification eligibility. To obtain PMP certification, the candidate has to fulfill certain education and experience criteria, followed by an exam conducted by PMI. The following are the basic eligibility criteria to pursue a PMP certification program. Candidate must hold a bachelor's degree of 4 years or a diploma from high school. Candidates must have 3 years of experience in project management. Candidates should have 35 hours of education training in project management or CAP certification and 4,500 hours of leading and directing projects for graduates and 7,500 hours for diploma holders. Skills acquired with PMP certification. PMP provides global professional recognition, and one who holds a certification in PMP definitely earns a higher average salary. With PMP certification, aspirants acquire certain skills to perform the role of a project manager in the industry. The skills acquired with PMP certification helps is gaining hard skills and soft skills, both of which are required to carry out functionality in the fields of project management and business management. These skills ultimately help PMP holders earn a higher salary than non-PMP holders in their field. PMP certification salary. The very first question that comes into the mind of an aspiring project manager is, what can I earn as a PMP? PMP is one of the most in-demand jobs, and it is expected to create more than 15 million new job opportunities in project management. A PMP certified project manager's salary is 20% higher as compared to a non-certified project manager's. The PMI salary survey estimates that, in the US, project managers without certification on average earn approximately $95,000 per year. Let's look at the salary aspects of the PMP. PMP certification salary based on location. The average salary with PMP certification shows a remarkable difference when it comes to location-wise salary distribution. In comparison to the United States, Canada, and the Middle East, the United Kingdom has the fewest PMP certified individuals because they prefer other certifications over PMP. Switzerland ranks on top with a median PMP salary of $130,000, followed by Australia, the United States, and the United Kingdom, whereas the lowest PMP salary on the list is Egypt. In the United States, if you look at a median PMP salary, a PMP certified project manager's salary, it is $111,000 as opposed to $91,000 for a non-certified project manager. PMP certification salary based on company. The average salary for a PMP certified project manager also depends on the company. Different companies have different salary ranges for the role of project manager, and salaries differ when it comes to considering certified and non-certified PMP candidates. PMP certification salary based on years of experience. It is quite obvious to understand that the project management professional's salary increases with the number of years of experience. Project managers with more years of experience who hold a PMP certification add great value to the salary. According to the 2021 PMI salary survey, median project manager salaries increase with years of experience. The average salary with PMP certification is impacted by factors like experience and project scope. Certified PMP professionals with more years of experience in their field make a significant difference in their salary. PMP certification jobs and scope. According to the Project Management Institute, PMI, there is an increasing need for project managers because of the rise in project management job opportunities. There will be 15.7 million new project management job opportunities and 37% increases in industries like finance, IT, construction, healthcare, and manufacturing. The benefit of having a PMP certification holder on the team is well understood by the companies and the clients. A PMP certification holder will have demonstrated knowledge of proven project management strategies. They are apparently equipped to finish the project within the decided time and budget. Thus, for an aspirant looking for a great opportunity to take on more responsibility, having a PMP certification on your resume can certainly open these doors. The PMP certification not only gives recognition but also increases job security. Another thing that makes PMP certification a great deal is that PMP certified candidates get a 20% hike in salary compared to non-PMP holders. PMP certification helps create a standout resume and also increases the chances of shortlisting profiles by 32%. The PMP certified candidates find high-paying roles in IT, manufacturing, finance, healthcare, and other industries. The PMP registered trademark symbol certification opens up a wide range of professional options, including entry-level jobs like an assistant project manager and project coordinator. Other professions include business project managers who engage with clients and manage business initiatives, IT project managers who manage software projects, and software project managers who oversee the development of computer systems. Thanks for watching SprintSeal. If you liked the video, please do share and comment. For more interesting videos, subscribe to our channel.